Okay, so today we'll be making some pancakes. It's pancake day here in the UK, but I'll be doing them with an American twist. So for my pancakes, I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. I've got some milk. I'll need a pinch of salt. I've got 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg. I'll need a teaspoon of baking powder, some flour, and for my topping I'll use some dairy cream, which is whipping cream, and some strawberry preserve. So first let's mix the dry ingredients. Okay, so I'll be using 1 cup of flour. So this cup measures 1 cup. I'm going to put it in my sifter. Okay, and then I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so that's 1 teaspoon. Okay, so I'm just going to sift this. Okay. And I'm just going to add the 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can see it's 2 tablespoons. 1, and then that's 2. And then I'll be using half a teaspoon of sea salt, because sea salt is a lot saltier. So instead of using 1 teaspoon, I'll be using half a teaspoon. Okay, so just mix my dry ingredients. Okay, so now on to the wet ingredients. Put that to one side. So I'll just add 1 large egg. And then I'll add about 5 ounces of milk. So that will take it to about 6 ounces. And then add the melted butter. Just gonna whisk everything in. Okay, that's mixed in. Now I'm going to add the wet ingredients to the dry. You can see it's coming together nicely. Just gonna whisk it so it becomes smooth. Okay, so that looks lovely now. Nice and smooth. Just gonna let that sit for a minute while I clean up, and then we'll put the pan on to fry these up. Okay, so I'm back now. I just have my pan on a low fire. It's heated now, so I'm just going to add some unsalted butter. It's a little bit too much. Okay, just gonna add that much for now. Too brown, so I'll flip them again. Okay, so these look about done. Probably cook them for about 3 minutes on each side. Just gonna turn the stove off. Okay, so pancakes are done. This is what they look like. Just going to make a topping. So I have some strawberry preserve. Not gonna put a lot. Okay, just gonna add some whipped cream. I'm gonna add a strawberry for garnish. Okay. And this is my pancake with strawberry preserve, whipped cream, and a strawberry on top. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thank you. See you later. Bye.